birthday, sir. Respected sir, on your special day, we extend heartfelt wishes for a wonderful birthday filled with joy, happiness, and good health. Thank you, sir, for always being us.
Your dedication and wisdom has made a significant change in our life, and I am grateful of your dedication for all of us. May God to bless you with the depth of His heart. Have a great and joyful birthday. Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे राकेश सर। अपना जन्मदिवस पर तमाम शिक्षकों द्वारा, तमाम विद्यार्थियों द्वारा, हमारा हेडबॉय द्वारा अपना बर्थडे पर शुभकामनाओं અને સારું આયુષ્ય, સારું સ્વાસ્થ્ય, તંદુરસ્ત અને જીવનમાં ખૂબ પ્રગતિ